Hi, in this video we are going to take a quick look at the brand new Aveedo design, and we are also going to take a little deeper look at the Aveedo Center. So let's log into a standard Aveedo instance first and take a look at the new modern design theme that is now available in Aveedo. As you can see, we have new colors, we have new icons that are available to you and to all your applications, so you can use this theme to create a really modern working environment for your employees. Of course, you can always rebrand the complete Aveedo theme to match your corporate identity and basically change everything just with CSS. All right, let's take a look at some of the features here. For example, within the CRM application, we have this activity Kanban board, which you can basically use to display any document set in your Notes Domino environment, be it opportunities, activities, to-dos. You can just display these in an agile way with this Kanban board and drag and drop between statuses. Another feature that I can show here is our project timeline view, which is a high-level graphical view of projects, which gives you a lot of information with one look. And if you want to dive deeper, you can just click on any of these project bars and just dive directly into that project. Now, if you have already seen the Aveedo Center, you might have already realized that the Aveedo Center and the new Aveedo design are, of course, not only related, but they are just made to match each other perfectly. So this is the Aveedo Center front-end user view, and what the Aveedo Center really does is it collects Aveedo applications from as many Aveedo instances as you would like. So if you have not only 2 or 3 or 10 applications, but thousands of applications, it's going to be very likely that not all of these applications run in one Aveedo instance, but they are going to be distributed, right? So the Aveedo Center collects all applications from all Aveedo instances across your server landscape and basically makes them available for the end user in a single point of entry. So in this Aveedo Center, we have the applications configured that we just had here in our single Aveedo instance. So the Aveedo Center just collects these applications. You can enrich that with external applications as well. So you can link to your SAP, you can link to your ERP systems or to Office, SharePoint applications, whatever you like. Just make these applications also available as application tiles here in the Aveedo Center launcher. If you are an administrator and you have an administrator role, you have access to the Aveedo Center administration area, where you can basically manage the Aveedo application instances that you want to collect applications from. You can use that administration interface to update Aveedo instances, to and export applications, manage users, manage licenses and all that. So you can do a lot of your administrative work for all of your Aveedo instances from just one place. So that's very cool. So as you can see here, we have configured 2 Aveedo instances where the Aveedo Center collects the applications from. One is the one that we have just seen, and we have also another Aveedo instance configured here, the Aveedo migrate instance. It's that one, and this is currently empty. So the Aveedo Center just displays the applications which are currently available in the Aveedo CRM here. So to show you what the Aveedo Center does, we can just quickly create a new application here by just migrating an existing Notes application with a couple of clicks to make it available in Aveedo. We just use the migration wizard, take a single database with all forms and views. You can also select elements, but in this case, we're just going to take all forms and views. And let's take this address book database. Just click on next step. And basically we can give this another name so we can recognize it. I'd call it migrated address book, like this. Give it a new icon, maybe a mobile phone. and a view to start with, and then you just hit finish and Aveedo does all the work for you. And there you go, successfully migrated the migrated address book. All right, so this migrated address book is now of course available within the Aveedo migrate instance, and I can just click on it to show you that it's fully working. We have everything here. And of course, it is now also available automatically in the Aveedo Center. If I go back to the launcher here and reload it, you can see that here is now also the same application. I can click on it, and there you go. That's basically, you have applications from different Aveedo instances available to you from one single point of entry. That's basically what the Aveedo Center is. So we hope you like our new design and you like the Aveedo Center idea. There are many cool things that you can do with this setup, and we are looking forward to work with you and with your applications. See you soon. Bye.